I can remember when I was having a conversation with my friend and we were talking, I was just telling him about, the things God is doing in my life and he continues to do. And he said a statement to me that was very, very profound. And I have said it to many people as many times as I can. And I continue to say it to myself. He said, Babusala, God is a responsible father. So today I'll be talking about God. Yay! We'll be talking about his nature, his character, and just, the essence of our Father.